Guys, we have these new t-shirts coming out. You've not seen this before. We just got our 2 samples in the mail and they turned out great. The 2 cool things about these shirts. The design's great. This is a much requested design. Another great day on the homestead. I'm going to show you a close-up of Breeze and a close-up of mine. And we have another great day on the homestead with some farm animals scattered in. It's a really simple design, and the cool thing about these shirts is we have switched over to Bonfire. And so they print, we were using Teespring previously, Bonfire, they print and they mail your shirts to you. And we are very pleased with these shirts. We're pleased with the print and the design, which Bonfire helped us with. But we love their shirts.
The shirts are really nice. Like, I usually like to cut the neck out of t-shirts because they're so, I feel like I'm choking. But this one is so soft, it feels amazing.
The t-shirt is a next level tee, so it's just like a nicer quality t-shirt.
It's thicker, but it's almost lighter in a way, even though it's thicker.
And these are a cotton polyester blend. I think that's why they feel so nice.
Oh, that's what, yeah. I didn't realize that, but that is probably what makes them feel so good. They're just not stiff. They're a little bit stretchy, but yet they like hold their shape, you know? So it's a really nice shirt. I love it.
They're great shirts. Yeah, what we're gonna do, and this is what we really felt like we were supposed to do, is this is a tiny way of saying thank you for you all's generosity, and it feels like an insignificant gesture, but it's a gesture nonetheless. We're gonna sell these shirts at cost for the first week, starting today. When this video is published, for the next 7 days, you can get this shirt at cost. So they're still not cheap, but they'll be like the cheapest merch shirts that you are going to find online, and that's just for anyone who might not afford them otherwise. And just a little way of saying thank you. If you want to wear one of these great shirts, you can get it at a cheaper price for the next 7 days.
And there'll be other colors besides these 2 colors. These are just the 2 that they sent us, right?
Yeah, there's several other colors, and there's another t-shirt. There's 2 types of t-shirts.
Okay, what's the name of this one so they know?
This is the next level tee.
Okay.
I think it just says premium tee, but you can see by the colors which one it is. I will tell you, these are surface printed, and I've been asking Bonfire if they will screen print this next batch. And I'm not sure if they're going to. This is kind of my big test with Bonfire. So actually, when you get one of these shirts, I want you to give me feedback. Did this shirt come screen printed or not? If you don't know the difference, if you can take your fingernail and run it along, if you can feel the edge of the print, it's not screen printed.
It's real obvious. You can just feel it.
Like if you took a knife or something, you could actually scrape this off. And that's how a lot of t-shirts are. But the nicest t-shirts are screen printed. That's what we're hoping they're going to do. I know why they didn't do it with these, because they literally are printing 2 shirts, and to screen print they have a whole different setup. They have to make the screen printing.
So they can't just do 2.
They have to make the screen, so they're not going to make it for 2. They've tentatively said that they can screen print with a higher quality, but this is my big test with Bonfire. If they screen print these shirts, I'm going to be completely on board. They've put in the request to have them screen printed. But I'm just waiting to see the follow through on that. So I can't promise that. So give me some feedback on that.
They're still nice if they're not screen printed.
I'm going to order one too, actually. I'll order one and we'll see.
We'll buy one. We'll buy one ourselves. Yeah. We did Teespring for all these years, and it's not that I disliked the shirts. I liked them, but this is the most comfortable t-shirt we've gotten so far with our merch.
Yep, and Bonfire is based out of Virginia, so they're kind of neighbors, and they're really great customer support on our end.
We had very little of that with Teespring, which was annoying.
Yeah, so like there's a guy, I've been talking to a guy, he's helped with everything in the process. He's available to me with issues. So yeah, check out the shirt. There'll be a link in the description. Thanks for watching, and tomorrow we'll have a big update episode on getting ready to move into the camper, getting our furniture set up, and how everything's going with that. So have a great day.
See you then.
Bye.